Um, have you ever wondered what secret advice the characters of St. Denis Medical might give to Matt and Serena after the tumultuous season finale? Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button before diving in as we unravel what those behind the scenes uh, suggest for the pair. Imagine stepping into the hectic corridors of St. Denis Medical, where every decision can lead to a disaster or a breakthrough. Uh, the characters who navigate this chaos have some surprisingly practical warnings for Matt and Serena about rushing into things and really take Alex, the steady nurse with a sharp tongue. She might warn Serena, saying, "Stay away from Matt. Um, he doesn't stand a chance if you're not careful." Yet deeper down, she probably advises gently that Serena could soften her tough exterior and be kinder. And it's not her style to rush the motions, but she recognizes the importance of patience. And it's it's meanwhile, David's Ron, known for his cautious perspective, would likely chime in, warning, proceed with caution. Things could backfire terribly, and then you'll be forced to work together in a nightmare scenario.
It's humorously reminiscent of how some patients' illnesses seem harmless until they turn mysterious.
Wendy portraying Joyce uh, might suggest maintaining a casual stance. Uh, she would advise staying professional, keeping some distance, and focusing on careers until the timing feels right. Joyce isn't big on romance, more on practicality. And she'd tell Serena to hold off until their finances align better. And she'd say, avoid jumping in. Once you kiss, reality kicks in, and imperfections surface faster than you can say marriage. And what about Joyce herself? She's always overpromising to garner love, but ends up falling short. The final scene with her boldly admitting, "I won't fulfill any of the promises I've made," resonated heavily. Uh, um, it shows her vulnerability, and she craves affection but can't deliver it, perhaps because she overextends herself. Her character's quick spending and overcommitment highlight the challenge of balancing sincerity with practicality. Um, she and Ron, who often praises her efforts, share decades of history, uh, bickering like siblings, but caring beneath layers. Their relationship, full of tension and respect, hints at a deeper, unspoken bond uh, with moving to Alex and Tim. Their decision not to have children um, seems peaceful, like they've made that choice and embraced it quietly. Allison Tolman believes they're content, yet she'd laugh if asked about discussing it during a big event, humorously noting such talks belong in calmer moments. Meanwhile, Alex has grown significantly, and her evolving confidence suggests exciting developments ahead. Season two promises more growth, and she's eager to see what's next. Still surprised her work gets a second chance. Um, Lastly, David reflects on Ron's view of Bruce, seeing him as a fragile man beneath the bravado. He shares a childhood story about surfers being ocean deities, emphasizing that Ron perceives Bruce as anything but invincible. Um, it's a reminder that even seemingly confident characters hide vulnerabilities. And remember, folks, if you love staying updated on your favorite shows, don't forget to subscribe to our weekly newsletter, Bella Body. It's packed with behind the scenes insights straight from the actors and creators. And since we're talking about hospital heroes, here's a joke. Why did the doctor carry a red pen? That, in case they needed to draw blood. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.